How to request a quote on Alibaba. Requesting a quote or an RFQ is a great way to get custom pricing from many suppliers at once. This guide shows you how to use the request for quotation feature on the Alibaba app. From the home screen, look for Request for Quotation or RFQ option. It is often located near the search bar. Tapping on it will open a form where you can tell suppliers what you need. In the form, you should describe a product in detail, say how many orders that you want, include a picture of the product if you have one, any other special requirements that you have. The more information you give, the more accurate the quotes you will receive. After you submit the form, suppliers will send you quotes directly. You can then review the quotes, talk to the suppliers, and choose the one that works best for you. It's the most efficient way to find a supplier for a custom product. You now know how to request a quote on Alibaba. Get ready to get the best deals for your business. Like and subscribe for more business tutorials.